My name is Vineeth, and I'm part of customer experience team. We take care of the client part and boardrooms.
Oh,
Actually, it's really amazing. But what you're still doing to their leaders and all. Actually, I'm not part of a leader, but when I got notification from events and updates, I thought it's only for leaders and all. But later, I came to know that everybody can attend the servant leadership. So I registered um, and just came up Obetamara. So first of all, I got an handbook. So I think that first impression, I think is like an exam, like a lot of things to write and a lot of modules and all. So I thought it will be difficult for me and all, just like beginner. So when each modules goes on, each faculties teaches very simply, and they have explained about UST, how they improve from start to end, and each modules feels very simple to answer each and every questions that belongs to us, everyone, and how to empower the leadership qualities and their ability to lead the team, how, how to interact with each and every employees, like from non-technical to to our experienced leaders too. So it's a great experience.
wa-
Actually, the most first part it is CSR only. So I thought UC are doing some like other companies like some beach activities like cleaning and that's of sessions, but it's different more. They are empowering the every community like physically disabled and even though children do having some illness, usually
yes.
extremely doing well to them. So it's amazing. As a leader, I thought we are just given some project and we just work on that, but it's literally different from that point of view, because how we interact to each employees or each members, how we from the tailgate or from the gate onwards, how we
Absolutely.
need to uh, interact with our security is the basic point.
Very
So
true.
it's definitely different from anything.